Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apex to Tradovate. First, you need to understand that Apex Trader Funding uses a specific, direct method for connecting to Tradovate. This ensures seamless integration for your funded trading account. Make sure your Tradovate account is fully established and ready to go before you begin. This connection is crucial for managing your trades and adhering to Apex's rules, so paying close attention to each step is important for a smooth setup. Once logged into your Apex dashboard, navigate to the section dedicated to account connections. You'll find a clear link or button specifically for Tradovate. Clicking this will initiate the authorization process. You'll then be prompted to log into your Tradovate account to grant Apex the necessary permissions. This step is straightforward, but confirming all details are correct is vital to avoid any future issues with your trading. After authorizing the connection, always double-check that your Tradovate login details were entered accurately. Any small typo can prevent the link from establishing correctly. It's also important to note that the connection might not be instantaneous. Sometimes it can take up to 24 hours to fully activate. If you experience any prolonged issues or error messages, don't hesitate to reach out to Apex Trader Funding support team for assistance. With your Apex and Tradovate accounts successfully linked, you're now ready to begin trading. This seamless connection allows you to manage your funded account efficiently and focus on your strategies. Always keep an eye on your Apex dashboard for any status updates or important notifications regarding your account. Remember, a smooth setup is the first step towards a successful trading journey. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.